Most people spend hours on a proposal and then still send something that looks like it was made in a rush. There is a faster way, and the results look significantly better. I'm Phil Powell, a brand strategist. On this channel, I share practical advice to help you build and grow your brand. Today, I'm walking you through a tool that I've been using to create client proposals that look polished, on brand, and professional without spending hours in a design app. I'm partnering with Venngage on this video. They reached out, I tried the tool, and it earned a place in my workflow. Oh, yes, it did. The AI proposal generator is the focus of today's video, and by the end of this, you're gonna know exactly how to use it. So let's get into it. The first thing that separates Venngage from a generic design tool is what happens before you even touch a template. You set up your brand kit once and it follows every proposal that you create. Starting on the Venngage Home tab, you'll see the option to start creating right away, but before we create or generate anything, let's build the brand kit. I'll click Manage Brand, and I want to show you the full process of creating a brand kit because Venngage makes it really easy. You can set it up automatically if you want to. Great to get the ball rolling. So you type in your brand name or your website URL, Venngage pulls in my logo, my colors, and then I can focus on adding and tweaking until I'm happy. I'll speed this part up. Maybe I'll add a few more colors, icons, even brand images like photography. If I have a product, I could upload those images as well. Even uploaded fonts. I recommend doing this as the first step because every proposal you generate will pull from this kit. Your fonts, your colors, your logo applied across the whole design with one click. Okay, now things are gonna get interesting. You're not just picking a template, filling in the blanks, you're describing what you need, and Venngage builds a structured, multi-page proposal around it. I've selected the Design AI tab and then Proposals, and you're gonna see templates below. Update if you wanna choose one of those to start from. Instead, in this video, I'm gonna work from the AI prompt widget in the center of the screen. Now type a description, a prompt of what you need. The more specific, by the way, the better. Include who the proposal is for, what you're offering, your pricing if that's relevant, your timeline, and then key deliverables. Now, because I have it, I'm also uploading related material here. This could be an email thread for context, or in this case, my services PDF that I have on a single page, and I share this with my clients. The proposal is going to go into much more detail, and the proposal might be what I actually present on the upcoming call. But this single sheet provides the detail to ensure that generation is going to be accurate for me, and it's based on what I actually offer my clients. Now, before we hit generate, we want to set that brand kit that we work so hard to put together, and it's going to influence the design generated. Now it's time to generate the design. Okay, within seconds, Venngage builds a complete multi-page proposal. You'll see the AI working on the left and a live preview build on the right page by page. It happens very quickly. This first pass is solid. It's not a rough draft. It's an actual starting point that with a few minor edits is already looking client ready. Generating the proposal is only the beginning. The editor is where you make it yours. And because your brand kit is already loaded, most of the heavy lifting is already done. The first thing I'll do is shuffle the color palette so the color stays the same, just reordered, and then I can lead with a different tone while keeping everything on brand. I'm sure you already noticed my brand fonts and colors are already applied across the whole document. That alone saves me a significant amount of time, so you're not starting from zero. Now, there is a placeholder logo on that title page, so I'm gonna delete that and I'll drop in my own from my brand kit. That takes about 5 seconds. Next, I'll edit the text directly on the page. I'm gonna add hospitality into the title so it speaks to this specific industry. And then a few other text adjustments while this all comes together, names, dates, any placeholder copy that needs to reflect my actual business. And I'm gonna modify a few of these content blocks until I'm happy with the layout. The stock image I've swapped out for a photo from my own brand kit, and clicking and adjusting is really all it takes. I'll speed this part up. Now let's move on to page 2 where I'll use the AI designer to go a little deeper. I want to update the About Us section so it actually reflects who I am. I paste my bio directly into the AI designer chat and I ask it to rewrite the section based on that. And just like that, the About Us text goes from generic placeholder copy to something specifically about me. This is an iterative process. Swapping the image on this page as well to match, and the last few edits until I'm happy with how it looks overall. What you're seeing here is pretty awesome. We have a well-structured starting point, and that means you're making targeted adjustments, not building everything from scratch, which takes forever. A well-designed proposal uses visuals to guide the reader's eye. Venngage has a built-in icon library, and when you can't find what you need, Oh, this is cool. The AI generates it for you. Click the Icons tab in the left sidebar. Right away, you'll see icons organized into sets and categories, not just a random library dump. Filtered here by category to narrow it down. I'll type a keyword, branding, and then browse until something catches my eye. I'm digging this one. So I'm going to place it on the page. Now notice the controls at the top. I can change the color and the weight and the size directly. I won't in this example, but I could. Let me search now for photography to source the next icon. The library, by the way, is deep, so this part can take a minute, but also rather than hunting for the perfect match, I'll duplicate this icon that I already have placed and I'll use it as the starting point. From here, I have some options. I can find an icon that matches the same design style, or I can ask Venngage to suggest an alternative. Let's go with that second option. I'm gonna ask it to make it thicker. Oops, I meant icon weight, not text. But it's fine, I made a mistake. That's why I didn't edit this out of the video, because you do not have to be perfect. This is an iterative process. That looks great. And what I love is that it took the initiative to make all three icons feel like part of the same family, same weight, same style, same visual language across the set. As a branding person, that matters a lot to me. Consistency at that level of detail is what separates a professional proposal from one that looks just assembled. Before you send anything to a client, run the accessibility checker. This is really important. It's a feature that most people skip, and they shouldn't. Go to File, then Accessibility, then Check Accessibility. It scans every page and it starts flagging issues immediately. Before this proposal goes anywhere near a client, I need to run this checker. And you'll see that I intentionally left some issues that I know it's gonna flag just for the demo. The first thing it catches is color contrast. Yes, and that's a fail in a few places. This means certain text and background combinations do not meet the WCAG standards, which affects readability for people with low vision. Each flagged item links directly to the element on the page so you can fix it without hunting around. You'll also see areas flagged for manual review, things like alternative text and logical reading order. Those require a human judgment call, which is exactly why the tool flags them rather than auto-fixes them. What I find really useful here is the tag order checker and the vision impairment simulator. You can click through and see your proposal the way someone with color blindness, low contrast sensitivity, or other visual impairments would see it. Very handy. So let's get one of these instances fixed right away. And then when you are satisfied, you're gonna hit the download icon in the top right corner. Choose your pages and your format. For client proposals, PDF is the move. Brand fonts and links stay intact. It looks clean in any viewer, and every client knows how to open it. Your file downloads in seconds. That proposal is ready to send. So that is Vengage's AI proposal generator. You go from a blank prompt to a fully designed, branded, accessible PDF proposal in minutes. For anyone sending proposals regularly, so freelancers, consultants, agency owners, this removes one of those time-consuming parts of the client acquisition process. And the output looks like something that a design team put together, so it is a win-win. Try it for free using the link in the description. Use code PhilPalin01 for 50% off the annual premium or business plan. Drop a comment below. Are you currently using AI in your client workflow? I read each and every one of those comments and I will reply. If you found this video useful, hit like. That helps other people discover this video and others. Subscribe if you want more content on branding, positioning, and building your business. I'm Phil Palin. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.